Hi, my name is Benita Cadle. I'm one of the 4 nurses that teach health careers here at Prosser. Health careers is a 2-year program, and our first year students study medical terminology and receive an introduction into the healthcare field, some of its issues and the different career options that are open to them. They are also certified in CPR through the American Heart Association as a first year student. Second year students have the option to choose from three different pathways, and then they also study health and wellness. After fall break every year, our second year students go out to different hospitals, nursing homes, other facilities, and then are able to practice the knowledge and the skills that they've learned actually taking care of patients.
My name is Penny Reed. I'm one of the health career instructors here at Prosser. I will be talking to you about the CNA program. The students who choose to come to Prosser in the senior year will complete their CNA training, 105 hours, 30 hours of classroom, 75 hours of clinicals. They must go to a clinical site that is a long-term care facility in order to obtain those hours. Students must successfully pass the state certified test, which is a written test and a skills test, in order to be certified in the state of Indiana. Students must have good attendance. They must also wear uniforms and be appropriately dressed when they're in the clinical rotation. They must have their own transportation. Prosser does not provide transportation to the clinical sites. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sandy Juliot. I'm one of the health career instructors here at Prosser Career Education Center. And I'm going to talk to you about some of the dual college credits you can earn through Ivy Tech while taking classes here at Prosser. Your junior year or the morning session classes here at Prosser, we offer medical terminology, which is 3 college credits, healthcare science, which is 3 college credits, and CPR certification, which is half a college credit. Your senior year or the afternoon session here at Prosser, you will earn your CNA certification, which is 5 credits, health and wellness, which is 3 credits, and dementia certification, which is 3 credits. If you choose to go on to the pre-nursing course, you will earn your anatomy and physiology, English comp, and psychology courses as well. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Betty McGee, and I'm an instructor at Prosser Career Education Center. I am the instructor of sterile processing. That is a program where you actually go to the sterile processing area and process surgical instruments, and then the surgical instruments are transported to the OR. It's a unique program in the fact that you are in the medical health field, but you do not actually have direct contact with patients. When you enter this program, you have the opportunity to have a 300-hour internship in the sterile processing area, and after the 300 hours are complete, hopefully be hired at a hospital in the community, and then you can finish your 400 hours to qualify for your national certification. And after you qualify for your national certification, then you will earn 12.5 Ivy Tech credits in sterile processing and instrumentation. And then you will also, during the school year, earn 3 hours for law and ethics and 3 hours for health and wellness. You do have to have your own transportation. A lot of the facilities are located in Louisville. And after you graduate, you're almost guaranteed a job because we have so many positions open for sterile processing technicians. Thank you.